Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the target SSD has enough free space. This avoids mid-transfer failures. Once done, close the Epic Games launcher so files aren't locked, and pause any active downloads. Make a quick backup of the Epic Games library folder or note the original install path. This makes rollback simple if something goes wrong. Then create a new folder on the SSD named Epic Games Library. You will copy games there. These steps set a safe foundation for moving large game files. You now copy one game's folder to the SSD. Do not delete the original until verification. Once the copy completes, open Epic Games Launcher and begin installing the same game to your new SSD folder, then immediately pause the install. This creates the expected manifest and registry entries. Replace the newly created install folder with your copied files, keeping the exact file structure. Make sure paths match. Windows expects consistent folders, so the launcher recognizes files. You finish by resuming the install in Epic Games Launcher. If done correctly, the button switches to launch instead of downloading. Launch the game to confirm integrity. Once it runs, delete the original files to free space. Make sure to update any shortcuts or Steam/Epic library paths you use. If something goes wrong, make sure file permissions allow Epic to read the SSD, then use the launcher's Verify tool to fix missing files. These checks prevent data loss and ensure smooth play on your SSD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.